Okay, so update on gold. We've got a clean shake base now. This is from where we marked it last night. This was looking for a potential liquidity zone for it to hit down here. Instead, it ended up forming this beautiful flag. Um, your boy failed to set an alarm and completely missed this move. So that's no one's fault other than my own. And then also this morning, it gave another beautiful flag. So that's the 5 minute time frame, by the way, so that you can see the flags a little more. Got another beautiful flag this morning on gold. Missed that one again. So there is entry one that got missed, which should have been on the pullback. Stop loss here. Take profit one. And then we would have had entry number two this morning, which would have been here after the second pullback that it gave. When it pulled back to this area, we got it here, fake move to the top side, catching the buyers, drops down, forms the bottom of our flag, and we caught our entry there. And then that one would have hit take profit one as well for 50 pips. So just this morning, off of missed entries, which I now have to log, or in my mistrade section, I have to log these. So this one was 128 points, or 128 pips. No, I'm sorry. This one would have been 127 pips, and then this one was 52 pips. So together it was like almost 200 points for the day. Each stop loss averaging 14 pips to 19 pips. You can get a top stop loss that tight on gold if you range down to the 15-minute or the 5 minute time frame, and you're using structure along with liquidity zones for your areas of where price could possibly go to. So yeah, take profit one got smashed. If you saw our signal group, or not signal group, if you saw the trade ideas that we posted last night, that's what we were looking at. But let's go ahead and update this sucker. No liquidity zones down here that got missed. We have one little liquidity zone that we're gonna pay attention to on the 5 minute here. Since we smashed through take profit one, we're just gonna take this baby off, and then we're gonna leave these off right there. And this one, that one's gonna get put. So those are some potential lows, and then we will go ahead and look for take profit two up top. Momentum's definitely to the top side. It just again smashed this liquidity zone, or take profit one. So we could look for, depending on how price starts to form up, if it starts to continue to trickle higher, you could go ahead and look for it to push up to the top side for either of these take profits. But if it doesn't, when we get to move back inside here, I would look for a small little hover on the flag and then look for some downside, especially with news coming out here, depending on how the news is. Or you could even just wick and get a long wick and then give us a push up and then continue to go higher. That would be our option too, something like this. And then yeah, option one. So that's how I'm going to be playing those today. Oh, actually, I'm not going to be trading today. We have a funeral to go to, so If I was going to trade, I should have traded this morning, but I'm not even going to get into it. We got Tesla opening up today, so we're going to see how it opens. And let's look at the dollar. Dollar is still kind of just doing its thing. We have a lot of lows that it could potentially grab on this. And that's what I'd be looking for on the dollar. Just a sec. Okay, yeah, so these are kind of the outlooks I'm looking for as far as gold and how I'm going to be paying attention to the dollar today. Again, back to gold. It looks just on the 1 hour like it wants to go ahead and start pushing down. But we just got the 4 hour open. So we could get some type of pullback right now. So I might be looking to take a small short. Yeah, close below liquidity that I had, the short time frame liquidity zone. So let's see how it pays attention to this area. Because sometimes it likes to make this. I'm not about to draw that. I'm not getting fooled by you, trading you. Comment down. Never mind. I'm not gonna say comment down below what you think that was, but yeah, I'd love to get some type of move back up to the top. Little ascending up to this area where people try and short again, and then it just continues to push higher. But this would be a good little reduced risk right here. 15 pips. What time does news come out? Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this 4 hour. But yep, that's it. I'll update y'all later this evening when I do my Asia market session markup. That was tricky. Link, I'm gonna put my YouTube down below. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm also on TradingView, so I'll put the link to my TradingView inside of the YouTube. Vice versa. I will catch y'all next session. Peace.